Hi all. Not a whole lot going on, just a little update. We're under an extreme heat warning today. It's going to be 101. Oh boy. That's pretty extreme for this area. So it's going to be a lot hotter than that in the valley down in Phoenix. So it's summertime. What can you say? There's no rain in sight today or tomorrow. Our best chance will be Saturday. Hurricane Bud, I think that's what it is, Hurricane Bud down in Mexico. We might get a little bit of that, but usually it starts toward us and then veers out east after that. So we'll see. We might get lucky. If we do, it won't be a whole lot. We need a good soaking rain is what we need. The forests are getting drier and drier up there. They're still open. Well, most of them. The Coconino is still open, I guess, under stage 2. Where I always go is open. But I don't know, man. It's pretty dry. So I don't think I would be up there at this time. You just never know, you know. So what else is going on? I'm still waiting for the doctor to appointment to pop up on the 27th. My knee's been great. I ended up in the emergency room. I'm not sure if I said that on my last video or not, but I ended up in the emergency room probably about a week and a half ago, I guess, or a week ago, right after I did the last update video. And the doctor took a look at it, messed around with it a little bit, and gave me a shot. No, he didn't inject the knee. Gave me a shot in the backside there, and 24 hours, man, the pain was gone, the swelling was gone, and but you know, I know it's only temporary, so we'll have to wait and see what the doctor says on the 27th. But so far, it's been great. The steroids is a quick weight gain. Rapid weight gain is what they call it. I've gained about 5 pounds, so you know, I don't need that. None of us need 5 extra pounds, right? So at least I don't have the moon face that you get with steroids, not yet anyway, so we'll see. But anyway, the emergency room doctor gave me a 6-pack plus the shot, and I haven't opened that 6-pack yet, so waiting to see if I need it. If it flares up again, then I'll do the 6 days worth, you know, and I do it that way. But I'm trying not to. But you know, like I said, it doesn't hurt at all, so everything's fine with that part. Not a whole lot else going on. Just hanging out. There's been some talk between Alan and I about the motorhome, getting it ready to go, and well, I've been out looking at it, kind of checking it out. Right off the bat, I'm going to need $1,600 worth of tires. I don't think that's going to happen. And a refrigerator's another $1,200 unless I can find a used one in the junkyard that'll fit for about $700. And then, you know, various other things. The roof leaks pretty bad. I don't know what I can do about that. I didn't get a chance to get up on the roof and look at it, but from what I could tell, it needs to be replaced. I'm leaning towards just not doing anything with it at all. You know, I hate to sound too negative, but you know, look, I'm going to be 70 years old in September. You know, I'll just take the truck out with the camper on it and do that. I don't want to spend $3,000 or $4,000 on a $1,500 motorhome just, you know, for 1 or 2 more years. I don't think it's worth it myself. It would be a lot more comfortable, yeah. But yeah, you ain't got it, you ain't got it. Simple as that. And you know, it's all set up for living in right now. Everything is set up for being parked and living in it, not traveling. So, you know, there'd be a lot I'd have to do to it. You know, hoses and belts and you know, stuff like that. Wiring I need to check up on. The last time I checked, there was no dashboard power. So, you know, the headlights and all that work, but there was no dash lights, no fuel gauge, no heat gauge. I think it's just too much money to be spending on something this old. It's a 1978. How much longer can it possibly last? So I think I'm just going to stick with the camper. And like I said, yeah, it's a little uncomfortable, but so what? Yeah, like I've said before, it forces me to be outside. You know, get in a spot, park it, get the solar panels all out, get it ready, and then get my chair out. And, you know, go sit over there at Alan's place. Go use his. He's got a big canopy that comes out, and I'll use that. I'll sit over there. So, you know, just to be silly. As long as my knee has been messing up, you know, he's been waiting on me pretty good. So, you know, he's the lumberjack, and you know, he's the water department, you know, coffee department, all that stuff. You guys probably think I'm just using him, but I'm not. So, well, anyway, that's kind of the update. The knee's good. Motorhome, I think, is out of the question. I don't think I'm going to do anything with it anymore. It's irritating too because I just bought new tires for it not too long before I parked it, all the way around. I don't remember what I paid for them, but they're more now than they were, and it's got maybe 2,500 miles on them tires. But now they're dry rot. They're cracking around around the rim on the outside. That's not a good thing. It's one thing you don't have to be cracking on the outer part of the tire a little bit, but on the inside, close to the rim, that's, you know, that's a good blowout waiting to happen right there. So, yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I don't know. I keep repeating. I'm not gonna do anything, and I'm saying that now. Tomorrow might be different. I don't know. If my ship would come in, if I win the lottery, yeah, if I win the lottery, then yeah, things would be a whole lot different. Right. What's the odds of that? 1 in a billion? So, anyway, yeah, I think that's about it. Just a little quickie update. I wanted to also talk to you guys about the live stream on Friday nights. I want to do it at about 7 o'clock Arizona time, Arizona Central, Mountain Central time. Arizona doesn't have daylight savings, so we're the same time all the time. So I'm not sure what time it is anywhere else. I know that at one point Nevada is different than we are, and they're just a state above us, so they're, you know, a little bit to the east or west. So whatever time it is, there it'll be 7 o'clock here, and I'd like to see you there. I'm going to try that for a little while, see how that works. Sometimes we get a lot of trolls, and you know, if that happens, it's not worth the aggravation to do that. So we'll see. But it's a good way for you guys to log on and you know, ask questions directly, and that. I guess Alan's wanting to do it with me, so we're going to try to do that, get it set up so that we can do that on Friday nights, 7 o'clock. Be there. I guess that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.